you got one for subs, one for mids and highs. Yep. Gotcha. That's pretty cool. You want to give me a walk around real quick?
So we got
You probably have to shut your door. It's really loud. Sorry. Go ahead, man.
Got PRV everything. Only thing that's not PRV is my subs. Lithium batteries, PRV 10s in the deck. Got 250 horns or 290 horns in the back deck. In the back doors, I got PRV 15s with the 3220 horns in the back doors.
Okay.
Front doors, I got a 10 and a 12, along with the 500 tweets. Middle console, I got the 700 tweets, along with the 250 horns.
Wow.
No outside
you got a lot of horns. Is that the high, super high frequency? Them horns are killing my ears.
The horns and the tweeters.
Okay. What's your box? Is it 4th order?
4th order in Impala.
Okay. Wow, you made it fit.
Oh yeah, I built it in the car.
Really?
The only way it'll fit. We had to build it inside the trunk.
So how big is it, spec-wise?
Almost a 1-to-1.
1-to-1?
The lithium batteries are behind the little panel.
Limitless 25 or 45?
That is the 45.
45. Okay. Awesome. What is a meter?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I'm not really a meter. What's sound?
Yes, sir. What did you tune it to?
It's tuned to 35 on the port.
Awesome. Appreciate it, man. I know, that's your goal though, it's super loud. You got some lows, then you can play a little lower. I don't know if you can turn the tweeters down, but that is insane. You can't, you just blare it. That is good though, because you can hear the music. You got the highs, the mids, your lows, everything. Really good bandwidth.
Yes sir, I'm never standing now. I'm never standing now. Hey, this big games right here talking. Watch your mouth, no dissing me. You know we all saw it. You say I'm fake, that's your opinion, that's just y'all story. Just face the fact it was y'all blessing, but y'all ignored it. Your quest for fame had you distorted, not accepting sorry. I'm bringing at the streets about, the people vouch, the jail about, all the niggas in the feds about. We hear the
Man, that's the loudest tweeters today. That's your goal, right? So you did all of this. PRV. Are these on your subs?
This is on all my doors. This one is on my subs, my horns, my tweets.
So you got one for subs, one for mids and highs. Gotcha. That's pretty cool. Man, you really did build an in-air vehicle. Yeah. And you can't pull it out, you have to unassemble it.
If I blow a sub, I had to take the ports out and get in there and pull one out, but that hasn't happened yet. So.
And this is an Impala?
Yep.
What year?
2012.
2012, okay. Heck yeah.
Got my trade and came with great disappointment. I thought we was under that law, but you're not cruising in Florida. Got a suit up with lawyers. Damn, this how we rock. They copyrighted my name and wanted $1 million. The label left in my face. I had to.
Appreciate it. Thank you for the info. Yeah, my ears are hurting. You don't get to hear it every day, so. You do. You're used to it?
Yeah. After a while, just like.
It's killing my ears. I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm used to just bass, not the.
Yeah.
It sounds good though. I'm not hating it.
Oh, yeah. I'm not going for the loudest, it's just like the overall sound. You can hear everything.
You hear everything. You can play up to like 22K hertz clean. Is your, what about your alt amp? See it? The video? I like to see everything from the video. I like to check it all out.
It ran off 208 volts on that.
Nice. Really musical too. With your fourth order, the way you designed it, sounded good, man. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for showing me.
We keep it pimpin', representing, let these haters know.
going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.